Hello everyone, today we will learn thread command in detail, which is in home tab. In more section, you will find thread command. But before that, we will learn thread terminology first. For any thread, these are the some things which comes into picture, such as major diameter, minor diameter, pitch diameter, depth of thread, and pitch. Major diameter is what to take, such as for M10, 10 is a major diameter. Minor diameter comes as 8.8 mm. Pitch comes as per the standard. What is standard? Pitch means consecutive distance between 2 points. These are the things you should know before using thread command. So let's start. I will create one sketch first. I will create 10 mm diameter circle. Go to the thread command. There is two options, such as symbolic and detailed. We will see symbolic first. After selecting symbolic, you have to select the surface on which thread should get created. I have selected the surface. My diameter I am taking as 8.8. It is not giving me option to change. Here is the option to select the pitch. As per minor diameter is get created. It's a M10 thread. M10 into pitch is 1.5. The minor diameter comes as 8.344. For any thread, there is number of start option is also, such as single start thread and multi start thread. Then how much length you want threads? Here you can insert length, and from which surface you want that. This is the option to select start. I am selecting this surface. From this surface I want up to the 50 mm threads. Then right hand and left hand thread is also an option which you find in thread terminology, and then hit OK. You can see here is a dash line, dash circle is got created. It's because it's symbolic thread, so you didn't find anything on body. Let's move towards detail thread option. Select the surface. Major diameter is 10 mm, minor is 8.5 mm, length is 150. I am taking as a 50 mm length only. Pitch is 1.5, which is standard. Then select the start. From this surface, thread should get created. You can reverse the axis also, but there is nothing, so I am not reversing it, and hit OK. After that, the threads will get created. Here you can clearly see the threads will get. It is a detailed thread. That's why you are seeing these threads on a body. But I suggest you to use always symbolic thread, because detailed thread doesn't add any value to your drawing also. So use symbolic threads only. I hope you understood. Thanks.